Right, okay.
They've already damaged the under tray in potholes. So
All right.
you've got the height, I haven't.
Yeah, but we've got it underneath, you see. We've got it underneath. I know you're saying you're low, but we've got stuff underneath as well.
Yeah, I know, I've got a motorhome as well.
Yeah, you got to be careful, haven't you?
Yeah, I live here.
But thank you.
Yeah, well.
Anyway, what she was saying was her car was very low to the ground. Anyway, we carried on our journey and didn't encounter any more problems before we got to the end of the road. Well, there were some very narrow roads there, harum-scarum roads on the edge of rather large drops off to the sides, but definitely worth travelling up there for the views, I would say. And we've encountered a few cars, as you might see. Encountered a couple of people who, in my opinion, need to practice the reversing skills. But hey ho, still on track and not far off our destination of Hay-on-Wye. So stick with us. So this will take us into the centre of Hay-on-Wye.
We'll see what we come up with.
Yeah, okay.
Okay.
Goodbye.
Bye.
Bye. Some more cat. Little more cat.
Is it down here?
Well, this is it.
You have reached your destination. Windows up, grab those sunnies and don't let the seagulls steal your chips.
There we go. Oh, we need one of these spaces, don't we?
We do.
Yeah. This will do. Isn't this where we... bought the meat for burgers?
Yeah.
And it wasn't actually all that, was it?
No. It was expensive, though, wasn't it?
It was expensive, yeah.
It was bread here, but it all gone on to.
Yeah. Can't see any. Wow, there. Look at those sandwiches. Yeah. Yeah.
Right, sorry.
Well, no bread there either, so might as well just get a loaf. Yeah, we've got a takeaway coffee last time, didn't we?
We did.
Yeah.
One shot latte and flat white.
What do you want?
A one-shot latte.
Okay.
This was where the cider was down here.
That's right, yeah.
Farmers Welsh lavender.
It was here, weren't it? Bread. Oh. Just leaving Hay-on-Wye, lovely little market town I call it. So many bookstores, that's what they are. The place is well known for. Everywhere you look, they've got more bookstores than they have pubs, which makes a difference these days, doesn't it? Or which is really unusual, I should say, these days. Usually it's like a pub everywhere you look in a tourist town, so it makes a nice change. Lots and lots of little independent cafes as well as the spa and the co-op, you know. Anyway, on our way to Hereford Sailing Club now to sort the vans out and ourselves, and then off to our next wild camp up for the night. Let's see what that brings. So who would have known that Hereford Sailing Club was an actual campsite?
Can I go back out that way?
Motorhome fun. Oh, what an excellent view.
Do you know what? That was well worth it. So I filled up the 5 litre. I put about 11 litres in water-wise.
Okay.
That's it.
Okay. So, just a quick stop, less than an hour, at Hereford Sailing Club, and we emptied the Elsan, we filled up with water, we both had showers, and it was a grand total of £2, not per person, £2 altogether, which is an absolute bargain. And I wish more places would be so accommodating and do that. We'll probably put this on the map to stay next time we come down this way. The staff were just really, really helpful. So it's a win-win, isn't it?
Absolutely brilliant, yeah.
Good stuff.
And then we'll spend some money in Hereford whilst we're staying overnight somewhere.
Yep. Yeah, absolutely. So, let's see what Hereford has to offer. And I think
Staying here.
this is going to be our overnight stop. Just park.
There's a tap room here.
Where's he going?
I'm a stranger, here to win, here to sin. Oh.
So over the River Wye in Hereford, just heading into town, and it's really nice. And across the road, plenty of activity going on. Oh, right, okay. Yeah. And then we came out and we came here to the Spread Eagle.
It doesn't mean that much to me. It's not this way.
Like, hello, 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 how's my little lady playing rock and roll? Oh, maybe these days you're pocket son.
How many times did I tell you I'm no good at being alone? Yeah, sick.
You could look up by smiling, able to hide. Came on so loaded high, well hung in snow white tide.
Pretty good. Park up £5 for 24 hours.
Yeah.
And you can stay overnight. And it was dead quiet last night, weren't it? Peaceful.
Yeah,
And no rowdies, no idiots.
Nope.
It was nice. Certainly worth £5.